Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about chemistry. The topic that is about hybridization. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing I need to draw the table in here. So for this one, if we don't have no double or triple, we can use about SB number 3. So the next one, if we have one double, we can use about SB number 2. And the last one, if we have one triple or two double bonds, we can use about SB. So this is the technique how to analyze this one. Now let's go to number 1. We see that this one we have single bond, so this one should be about SB number 3. Number 2, we have double bond next to number 2, so this one that should be about SB number 2. Number 3, on the left, on the right, they are the single bond, so this one we have SB number 3. Similar for number 4. Number 5, we see that next to number 5 that is about triple bond, so that is about SB. Similar for number 6. Number 7, next to number 7 we have double bond, so we have SB number 2. Number 8, next to double bond, so that's about SB number 2, and so on. Number 9, number 10, number 11, and number 12. This is the end. Thank you for watching.